Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to upload AI image on Adobe Stock. So guys, go to your account on Adobe Stock, contribute your account, and as you can see here, this is my dashboard. Just click upload guys, and you have here drag and drop file. As you can see here, click that just here and choose the file you want to upload, and this is my case an image AI. And just scroll down guys and choose the title. As you can see here, this is your title, and after click title, post your keyword and choose the best keyword. After do your own research on keyword, just like here AI and some keyword, and add minimum 5 keywords guys. And after that guys, just click on save work. This is how you can upload AI image. So guys, this is all on this video today. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys.